So what are we doing today?
Animals.
We're going to go look for some creepy crawlies, aren't we?
Yeah.
What ones are we going to look for?
Crawlies.
Wriggly worms and granny greys.
Birds.
Birds as well, yeah. Can you hear the birds?
Yeah.
Let's go and have a look then, shall we?
Yeah.
It's a stick, yeah. Trees, wow. Oh, what are we doing now? We're going to put some cars, are we? Going across the bridge. There's one coming yet. Found. Found a little slug. Is it good? Found a little wriggly worm. What is it? Is it? Wow. Any more? No, we'll have to keep looking then, won't we? We found 2 so far. Whoa, what have we just found in there? What have we just found? How many wriggly worms? 10? I think there's only 2 in there. One minute. One minute. You're going back in the house today?
Yeah.
Wow. So we found another 3.
Oh.
It's good, isn't it?
I am going back in the house.
Going back in his house?
Yes, coming out. Yeah, I'm going back in the house.
Wow. What are they doing?
It's going in the house.
Going in the house?
Yeah. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One's coming out. He's moving.
Where?
To them.
Oh, yeah, I'm coming out. Oh, you're right. In the house, Daddy.
Yeah. So now we've found some more worms. Little slug. Little slug. Now we've just found some ants.
No.
Wow. They're crawling away.
Oh, yeah. My cow, Daddy.
Oh, what's that?
You know.
Looks like a granny grey.
Yeah.
Do you like granny greys? Do you like looking for bugs?
Yeah. The scary thing.
They're not scary. Well, what's up by here then? What's that? A tree, yeah. Wow. Oh, what's that? A mouse with a spiky hair. What's that? Looks like a beaver. And what about this one? What's this? The cat. Looks angry, doesn't he? Oh, what's that one? We missed one. What is it? It's a squirrel. Look, what's he got in his hand? What's that? It's an acorn. What's this one? Snail, is it? And what's that one? It's a frog, that's right. What's this? Doggy, is it? What about this one? What about that one? That's right. Oh, they're good pictures, aren't they? Do you like animals?
Yeah.
Chickens. to feed them? I don't know if you can feed them. Chickens.
What weekend?
What are you going to feed them with?
My weekend on the shed. My
Yeah.
weekend in the shed is one.